Namaskar. Here is a 20-minute morning class. So let us begin. Close your eyes and get in touch with your body. Sit in Sukhasana or in any comfortable position. As you inhale, taking a smooth breath. As you exhale, relax your shoulders, relax your legs. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Sit with your spine upright. Inhale, taking a nice smooth breath. And as you exhale, relax your trunk, relax your spine, relax your face. Let us now go on all fours to the cat pose. Place your palms under the shoulders, knees under the hips. As you exhale, round your back. As you inhale, extend the body. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, extend the trunk. Keep moving. Move nice and smooth in a well-balanced way. Feel the breath. Feel the smoothness of the breath. And align the smoothness of the breath with the smooth movement of your body. Keep going. Exhale round your back. Inhale, extend the body. Then exhale and extend your arms over the head, resting the forehead on the mat. Feel the upper back extending. Feel the shoulder blades extending. At the same time, feel the rested forehead on the mat. The calmness, the peace. And from there, tuck the toes in and go into downward facing dog. Lift the heels, push the sit bones away, extending your flanks, giving the body a nice stretch. Then bend your right leg and extend the left leg. Then bend the left leg, extend the right leg. Then slowly bring the right leg forward. You can place your hands on a block. And extend that right leg. Please do not overdo. This is a very intense stretch. You need to get into this pose very, very slowly. Feel the stretch at every moment as you work into this stretch. Then slowly bring the right leg back. This mat is very sticky here. And take the left leg forward. Feel that extension in your left leg. Feel the stretch in your left hamstring. Also feel the stretch in the back leg. Stay there. You can either lean forward or you can keep your body upright. And then slowly bring the left leg back. Very nice. Now let us go into downward facing dog. Once again, keep extending the back and feel the difference the leg stretch made to your downward facing dog. And then go into upward facing dog. Extending your entire spine. Feel the body moving forward and upwards as you extend. Feel those palms into the mat. And then go into downward facing dog. Extend the back even more. Extend the legs even more. And stay there. Give your body some time to get deeper into the stretch. And then slowly walk into Uttanasana. Slowly trying to reach the toes with your hands. If you cannot reach the toes, you can hold your ankles, you can hold the shin bones. You can place your hands on the blocks. Whatever is comfortable, you can keep your knees bent. Do not hurry, do not force yourself in the stretch. And then slowly come up. Let us stand in Tadasana with your entire spine extended, your arms extended, the feet into the mat. Then bend the left leg and place it at the perineum and extend your arms over the head. Try to feel that balance. If the challenge is too much, you can stand close to the wall, taking support from the wall. Then bring the left leg down and change the side. Bend the right leg, place it close to the perineum and extend your arms over the head. Keep working on your balance. If you find it difficult to get a balance, then use the wall to support you. And then exhale and bring the right leg down. Bring the legs together. Stand in Tadasana. Feel the extension in your back. Then extend the legs around 1 meter 20 to 1 meter 50. Turn the right leg out to bring the right hand on the block or on the shin bone. Extend the left arm up to the ceiling If your neck is free, you can look up at your extended arm. Then inhale and slowly come back and turn the right leg in, the left leg out. Extend the body towards the left side and go down to place the left hand on the block on the shin bone. Extend your right arm and look up at your extended arm. Feel a good extension in your entire trunk, equally stretching. Then look forward. Inhale and slowly come back to start position. Turn the right leg out, bend the right leg. Extend your arms and look at your extended arm. Try to feel the balance on the left and right side of the body. Breathe in smooth and firm. Then straighten the right leg. Turn the left leg out. Extending your arms. Look over the left arm. Feel equal balance on both sides. Breathe well. Feel confidence as you stay in the asana. Then straighten the left leg. Turn the right leg out. Placing your right arm on the right leg or on the block. Extend the left arm over the head. You can look up to the ceiling. Feel your entire left side extended. Once again, extending the left and right side of the trunk equally. Inhale and slowly stretch the right leg and come up. Turn the left leg out. Bend the left leg. You can place your left arm on the left leg or on the block. Extend your right arm over the head, feeling the right side extending, feeling the entire trunk equally extending. Then inhale and slowly come back to start position. Keep the feet parallel. Then extend the body to go down, 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 either to rest the head on the floor, on the blocks. Just allowing the trunk to stretch. If you feel the hamstrings are overextending, then you can slightly bend your knees. Stay there, breathing in, breathing out, and enjoy. And inhale, exhale, bring the legs together. And go down in Uttanasana. You can keep your legs slightly apart or together. Allowing the hamstrings to extend just a little more. Then inhale and slowly come up. Place your feet on the mat and then slowly, as you inhale, very slowly, gently lift your back. Keep lifting. Keep lifting. Interlock your arms under your back as you do this. Do not have to force yourself to lift really high. Just having a slight lift from the mat is good enough. I will just be lifting a little bit with you. Enjoy that lower back extension. Keep the brain calm. Enjoy the flow of the breath. Be with your body 100% and enjoy this beautiful experience. Stay there just a few moments more. Unless it's painful or the body is very tired, you can stay there. Bring a little more strength in your lower back. Excellent. Exhale and slowly come down. Rest your back on the mat and bring the knees to the chest. And allow the lower back to release just for a few moments. If you wish, you can wiggle your back from left to right, right to left. Stretch your legs to go into the final relaxation. As you lie there, you can feel the energy of your body. As you lie there, do nothing. Desire nothing. Let everything pass away, fade away, and just allow your presence to be as you were a feather floating in space. As if you were a soft, gentle wave on the ocean. As if you were a gentle breeze. Then inhale, exhale, slowly bend your knees, turn to the right, open your eyes, and sit up, embracing the day with joy. Namaskar.